let's see. We're on a 737-800, seat 2A. Got plenty of leg room. We got a footrest there if you want to use it. You can put it up. Seats look a little worn here. Got the window kind of square. I've never seen this type of window here in 737. Usually you get more stress cracks on a squarish window rather than a round one. But you shall see. They gave me a little packet, sanitizing wipe, and we got some kind of little jobby that comes out here. If you want to put your drink on there, it slides in there. And what we got in here, we got nothing in there. We got a 6-pack and some, let's see what this is. I don't know if you want to buy stuff. And then here, I think it's more if you want to buy stuff here. So, no, don't want to buy stuff. Let's get a nice cup of tea here. But yeah, okay, that's pretty much it. That's the seats 2A. I don't know if I'm going to have anybody next to me. I think there's a little headrest. The seat is somewhat comfortable here, but like I said, it's a little warm here, but that's okay. So there we go, 737-800, and we're heading toward Charles de Gaulle in Paris, then on to Philadelphia here. So, okay, I'll take my hat off once the plane gets a little warmer here, okay. Charles de Gaulle